unwilling to expose her to shame, decided to divorce her quietly. Such was his intention when, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary, your wife, into your home, for it is through the Holy Spirit that this child has been conceived in her. She will bear a son, and you are to name him Jesus, because he will save his people from their sins. All this took place to fulfill what the Lord had said in the prophet. Behold, the virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and they shall name him Emmanuel, which means God with us. When Joseph awoke, he did as the angel of the Lord had commanded him, and took his wife into his home. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Just what kind of God do we have, anyway? What is this one true God?
I'm talking to my cameraman.
Boy, that's a rather profound question. But we ask it, don't we? We ask it a lot from the time we're little until we're on our deathbed, wondering just who it will be to greet us as we pass over to the other side. Well, one thing for sure, we do have a God of surprises. A God of many contradictions, seemingly so anyway. A God of miracles, a God of paradox. That's for sure. Ask Isaiah, the prophet of Israel, in God's holy word from the Bible this morning. A virgin shall conceive. Boy, that's a contradiction if I've ever heard one. Ask St. Joseph,
Turn around.
the gospel this morning. It is through the Holy Spirit that this baby has been conceived. The angel tells St. Joseph. Say that again. That's sure strange. Yeah, we have a very unpredictable God, the Lord of surprises, paradoxes, seeming contradictions, St. Joseph, and a lot of miracles. The Lord who created something who can bring light out of darkness, good out of evil, life out of death. We have a big God who prefers little people. A strong God who loves the sick. A God who has it all, but is closest to those who are poor in spirit. A just God who is merciful as well. Who detests sin, but goes searching for those who commit them to bring them back to him. Yes, Isaiah, yes, St. Joseph, to the God of paradoxes, surprises, seeming contradictions, miracles. Stay with me here. The God unseen, who walked among us, who lives in heaven, but was incarnate in the womb of a virgin. The God eternal, without beginning or end, who has an earthly, trust the next time. A Lord in whom absolute fullness resides, who longs for us to admit that we're utterly the God of light, who sees
Yeah, it's not working right now.
graces the blind, who called the Word, who healed those nameless,
Wait, put in.
whose bellow brought about existence. 9 months in the womb of the Virgin Mary. The omnipotent Lord, a tiny, helpless infant.
I just need to move back some.
The one wrapped in clouds of majesty, in diapers, and blankets, in a manger. The King, born in a cave. A God who sees the image of himself in each of us unrecognized.
All men, keep your hats off, please. While you're in church, all our hats will be checked. So all our hats will be
Pasok na tayo mag-finish tayo.
That's gorgeous.
Thank you so much. No problem. You don't like it, I'll take it. Take a picture. Yeah, thank you.
That's really nice. Yeah.
Side door.
Look at that, Kayla.
It was weird in there. It was hot and disgusting in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Where are we going now?
So that is St. Patrick's Cathedral right there. And there's many movies. They have done many movies around here. They've been using it as a movie set also, just like a lot of other streets in New York City. But we could go this way. That's the New York City police car right there, police van right there. So come on, here, Kayla. Let's see. Let's ask over here what are the other main attractions of New York City. Come here.
Yeah, if you're going to check it now, he gonna,
Central Park? Yeah.
and you're going to ask him
Yeah.
why you calling on his post.
Let's go walk around.
Yes. Really? Okay. Okay, yeah, besides Central Park, let's see. Let's see what are the main attractions. Let me see.
On top of the apartment building.
Baby, Kayla. Hey.
Look. It's all night.
Yeah, Nike, right?
That's the actual store.
That's the actual store. New York City. You wanna go check it out? Is that what you wanna do? Check it out?
Let's go check it out.
Okay, we'll go check it out. What are you gonna check out there? Oh, you wanna go check inside? We could do that, yes.
I want to check the prices.
Yeah. Oh, you wanna check the prices? Oh, yeah. This is
And
where
go
you
look inside.
and go look inside. Okay. You could go look inside.